Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Canva account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete multiple Canva projects? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a Canva project anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you have your portfolio hosted in Canva, but the portfolio is no longer relevant, so it's better just to go ahead and delete it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen that's going to show all of your recent projects. So first off, what you want to do is you want to click over here on the left, projects. It looks like a little suitcase. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the projects that you have inside of Canva. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and categorize your project. So maybe you want to go ahead and delete all of your websites, maybe all of your presentations. I'm not sure. So just choose whichever applies to you. Once you have that, you're going to see all of your designs. So you can delete these one by one by clicking up here on the top right. There's these three dots when you hover over it. Once you click there, you can go ahead and click on move to trash. Now, if you want to delete multiple, you can go ahead and just hover over each one and then click on that checkbox. And we'll do this one right here, checkbox. And once you have chosen all of the projects you would like to delete in Canva, down here at the bottom, you just click on the little trash can. All right, next they let you know that these are going to be moved to the trash, and you can still restore them for up to 30 days. So I'm going to click move to trash. Okay, so now they're moved to the trash. So if it was a presentation or a website, it's no longer going to be available to the public. And if you want to permanently delete them, you can go over here and click on trash down here on the bottom left. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all of the projects that you deleted in Canva. So you can go ahead and just hover over each one, click on the three dots, and then you can click delete from trash. So this will permanently delete it. That means you're not going to be able to restore or recover this project. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now, if you made a mistake and you deleted a project you didn't mean to, it's the same thing. You just hover over it, click the three dots, and then you can recover or restore it by clicking on this button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete multiple projects inside your Canva account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.